just acquired this lovely BMW 118 M Sport, finished in silver with a very high specification. It's got the front park distance control, upgraded M Sport wheels, M Sport body styling kit, rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, absolutely gleaming silver. Nice low mileage example, full service history on the iDrive. Boot area is in lovely condition. Interior is the lovely M Sport with a blue stitched. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, M Sport seats. It's got DAB. It's got cruise control, M Sport steering wheel, auto headlights. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth for media and phone, full media pack. Obviously DAB as I showed you, 6-speed gearbox, different ways of driving it, Eco, Pro, Sport or Comfort mode, climate control, and that's really nice and cold. Aux and USB, locking wheel nut. Absolutely drives superb. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.